Hi, I'm Vishal Rain. In this video tutorial, we will be looking about deleting history after skinning or doing some UV corrections or modeling corrections after the UV and after the skinning. Is it possible to do the history delete or not? Like for example, here, as you could see, I've got this model. It's a pant model. I've just assigned simple joints and done skinning to it, and in the model construction history you would see poly mirror, which was some modeling history of it, and you have got skin cluster. So you don't want this poly mirror to just carry with this the model. Maybe you want to delete it, and if you could see skinning is working right now. And after this, after you have done a lot of skinning and you want to generally edit or do some UV changes, what would you do? For example, let me see the UVs of this. As you could see, UVs are not yet not done on this model. I would like to just do the UVs. I'm applying simple automatic mapping. And you could see model has been opened with UVs, and every time I do certain changes in it, so now if you see the model in the channel box has got some construction history after I've done. So my skin cluster is here. I've got poly mirror, which is some history before the cluster, and I've got some UV modeling modified history after the skin cluster. So how to get rid of this? So let me select the model here and go to edit, delete by type, non-deformer history. And if you see now, the total history has gone. By leaving the deformer history, that is skinning tool history, leaving it, and everything has been gone. And if I generally see joints are still working and there is no history on it. So this is a quite useful tool, I hope, because I've seen some of them are not aware of this tool, and I felt it would be quite useful. Thank you very much.